Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add stickers on Discord. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Discord app. You need to open up Discord app on your browser. Go to your browser and search for discord.com and it will open up this kind of interface. Here, go to your server. Here, tap on gear icon located on right side, and here tap on server settings. Now here you can see stickers. Simply tap on it and scroll down, and here you can see upload sticker button. Tap on it and now you can browse it, or you can tap on browse button and select the photo or choose from file, or you can select from photo gallery and then tap on upload button. Let me select this one. Once you are done selecting, you can simply tap on upload and upload your sticker. So this is how you can make stickers on Discord. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.